Hello my pumpkins, today we're making a jellyfish lamp out of chenille stems. Let's jump right into the tutorial. You'll need up to 100 pieces of chenille wire just to be safe and have plenty to work with. First take one piece of chenille wire and leave about 1 cm at the end. Then take another piece and start attaching it also from the end. Wrap it slightly around the base wire to secure it. Now find the center of the second wire, fold it and bring the other end next to the first one. Wrap that end around the base wire too. Keep repeating this method, attaching more wires next to each other, forming little loops. Continue until you reach the end of the base wire, but don't forget to leave about 1 cm free at the end as well. Now take one white chenille wire and thread it through the center of all folded wires. This will hold everything together. Twist the white wire right in the middle to secure the shape. And just like that, 1/2 of our jellyfish is done. Now shape it gently with your hands as shown in the video. You'll notice that 2 ends of the white wire are sticking out. Twist them together into one straight line. Now it's time to connect both halves. Line up the 2 twisted ends and twist them together. Remember those 1 cm ends we left earlier? Twist those 2 to secure both sides. Next, tuck in the extra wire from the top side into the jellyfish as shown in the video. This creates a clean finish and gives us the perfect base to attach the jellyfish legs later. Now let's make the jellyfish tentacles. Take one full chenille wire and start thinning out the ends with scissors as shown in the video. This gives them a more delicate wispy look. Some tentacles I made longer by combining 2 wires and some I made using just one. I created 3 different lengths. One short one made from a single wire, a medium one made by combining 1 full wire and half of another, and the longest one made by twisting 2 full wires together. Then I took a pen and wrapped each tentacles around it to create a spiral shape. After that I gently stretched the spiral to get a wavy line. These are the jellyfish legs. In total, I made 1 long tentacles, 2 medium ones and 3 short ones. But feel free to make more or less, it's totally up to you. Now it's time to attach them to the jellyfish. There is a base inside the jellyfish where I secured 2 medium tentacles and the 1 long one. On the sides, I added the smaller ones. I tried to make them look like they're floating invisibly. I also added a string light and some ribbons to give it a more dreamy and airy feel. To hang the jellyfish, I used 1 chenille wire as a loop. But if you want a cleaner look, you can use a thin fishing line. I just didn't have any at the moment. And that's it, our jellyfish is done. Here's how it looks with the lights off and here's how it looks glowing in the dark. So magical, right? I think this is one of the most unique DIYs I've ever made. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye!